How to copy Gmail account and email link or URL. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy your Gmail account link or any email link or URL. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So to copy link, you don't have to use the Gmail app. Instead, you have to use any one of the web browser and use the Gmail web version. So open up any browser and here search for gmail.com, and now once the gmail.com website is loaded, tap on sign in the top right corner. Here enter your email and tap on next. Enter here your password and tap on next. Now here you have to tap on use the web version under open the Gmail app. Here you have to tap on this. Now after you have logged in, to copy your account link, Gmail account link, just tap on in the top here, and this is your account link. You can copy it. Now if you want to now copy any one of the email link, open the email. For example, I'm going to open this email, then again tap on top here, and this is your that email's URL. So guys, this is how you can copy your Gmail account link or your email account link or URL. Thanks for watching.